This question says Julie gathered data about the numbers of pages and chapters in several books by her favorite author. The scatter plot shows the data she gathered and the line of best fit. The equation of the line of best fit is y equals, I'm getting it from down here, y equals 15.261x plus 8.83. Based on the line of best fit, approximately how many pages are predicted to be in a book with 8 chapters? So I'm going to look at the graph first and then we'll look at the equation. But I want to look for 8 chapters. And I notice that chapters is down here on my x-axis. So I'm going to go over to 8. Here's 8. And I'm going to go up. And it looks like my dot is somewhere right about there. But it's really hard to tell on this graph. I know it's somewhere between 120 and probably 140. It's somewhere in between there. But I can't get an exact number. So between 120 and 140. I'm getting 140 because that would be 140. That would be 100. So I know it's somewhere between there. So that's where that equation comes in super handy down here. And I'm just going to rewrite that up here. Y equals 15.261x plus 8.83. Now we said earlier that we're looking for how many pages are in a book with 8 chapters. And chapters is our x. So we're going to plug that in for our x value right here. So instead of 15.261 times x, we're going to have it times 8. So y equals 15.261 times, I'll put 8 in red. That's my x. And then plus 8.83. And I'm just going to use a calculator for this. So 15.261 times 8 is 122.088. And plus 8.83. Again, using my calculator, I'm going to add those together. And I get 130.918. Which is about, if I round up, 131 pages. So in a book with 8 chapters, should be about 131 pages. That equation gives us more of an accurate answer, where when we were just using the graph, we knew it's somewhere between 120 and 140. We just weren't sure exactly what that number was. But it fits, right? 131 is in between 120 and 140. So just make sure you know if it's asking for, or if it gives you x, or if it gives you y, and if it's asking for x, and if it's asking for y.